In a triangle ABC, the angles and sides A and B made to vary in such that a way that the area remains constant and the side C also remains constant. Show that A and B vary by small amounts del A del B respectively. Then show that A del A plus cos B del B equal to 0. So given triangle ABC, so this is A, angle B side, angle B opposite side is small b, angle C opposite side is small c. So given C in question, given C side is constant and also given area of this triangle. So we know that formula, area of the triangle ABC del equal to of AC sin B. So of AC angle is sin B. So and also given area of the triangle is constant, so del is constant. Differentiate this area of the triangle and then show that A del A plus cos B del B equal to 0. Okay, solution. Let the area of the triangle ABCB, let the area of the triangle ABC is del equal to of AC sin B, given. So del means area of the triangle. So given in question, area of the triangle, area remains constant, area of the triangle is constant, so del is constant. So we have to find out A del A plus cos B del B equal to 0. So differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides, or with respect to small change in A and C. So this is differentiate yet equation 1 on both sides. So differentiation of the del, so del is constant, so this is 0. So and of in question, given that C is also constant, given that the side C constant, so this is constant, so write this is A and sin B. Okay, so del. So now differentiation of the del equal to 0 of C. So this is here apply UV formula. So we know that d by dx of UV is first function u constant, next differentiate second function v is constant, differentiate first function v into du by dx. So this is A constant, differentiate sin B. So differentiation of sin B is cos B. Next again differentiate B, internal term B. So here differentiation is small, in question given that differentiate small change. So small change means del B, change in B is del B. Next, so sin B, sin B is constant, differentiate A, differentiation of A is del A, that equal to take this of C value right hand side, left hand side of the equation. So this is constant, this is not equal to 0, so this value is 0. So this implies A cos B del B plus sin b del a equal to 0. So take del b value from this equation. A cos b del b equal to, transpose this value right hand side of the equation, we get sin b del a. So this is a, so del b equal to, we get del b minus sin b del a by a cos b. So this is, make it equation 2. Next we know that cosine formula. From cosine formula, so here cos b, so take cos b value. So cos b equal to, this is cosine formula, a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac. So from this equation, transpose this 2ac value left hand side of the equation, we get 2ac cos b equal to a square plus c square minus b square. Take b square value from this equation. Okay, transpose b square value left hand side and transpose 2ac cos b value right hand side, we get a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b equal to b square. Now differentiating this equation, differentiate above equation. So a square, differentiation of a square is a square 2a, and again differentiate internal term. So where internal term is a, so differentiation of a is del a. Here small differentiation, small differentiation del a. Next to c square. So in question given that c is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. Next to minus 2 is constant, in question given c is constant, so minus 2c is constant here. So a cos b, so here apply uv method. So a is constant, cos b differentiation is sin b. Okay, next differentiation of b, so differentiation of internal term b, so differentiation of b is del b. And next cos b is constant, differentiation of a, differentiation of a is del a, del a, that equal to here left right hand side b square, differentiation 2b del b. So in this equation 2 is constant, so take 2 constant, 2 a del a minus c into a sin b del b plus cos b del a equal to 2b del b. So 2 get cancelled, so we get, this is a del a minus multiply c by total term ac sin b del b. So this is minus c into cos b del a, this is equal to b del b. So in these two terms del a is constant, del a is common, so take del a common. So in first term a, in second term minus c cos b into del a. So next write this term minus ac sin b del b equal to b del b. A minus c cos b into del a minus ac sin b. Here we know that in from equation 2 del b equal to minus sin b del a by a cos b. So here substitute del b value minus sin b del a by a cos b equal to b del b. So here a get cancelled. So simplify this equation. A minus c cos b into del a minus, here minus into minus plus, okay, and multiply c into sin b, c sin b into sin b, sin square b into del a by cos b equal to b del b. Next, so here LCM is cos b, so take LCM. A minus c cos b into cos b del a plus c sin square b del a equal to del b del b. Next, so multiply this equation by cos b del a. So a cos b del a minus c cos b into cos b cos square b del a plus c sin square b del a equal to b del b. A cos b del a, in these two terms c is common and del a is common, so take c and del a common. So this is minus, so take minus c is minus c and del a is common, minus c cos square b plus sin square b into del a equal to b del b. So this is a cos b del a minus c, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 del a b del b. So and here apply in this equation del a is common, take del a common, a cos b minus c into del a equal to b del b. So here we know that c equal to, this is formula, a cos b plus b cos a. So here substitute c value, a cos b minus c value is a cos b plus b cos a into del a equal to b del b. A cos b minus, apply minus, a cos b minus into plus minus b cos a into del a equal to b del b. So this is similar terms get cancelled, plus minus, so we get minus b cos a del a equal to b del b. Transpose this value, right hand side we get b del b plus b cos a del a equal to 0. Okay, here denominator is cos b, so cos b in this equation, so take b common, cos b del b plus cos a del a equal to 0. So b is not equal to 0, so cos b del b plus cos a del a equal to 0. So we have to show that a del a plus cos b del b equal to 0. So this is cos a. So problem is completed. So here cos a del a, cos plus cos b del b equal to 0. Cos a del a plus cos b del b equal to 0. Problem completed.